Hello everyone, my name is Mark Alfred Estrepolio from BHM1 Block 9. Today I will be reacting to a video about the Internet of Things or IoT. IoT refers to the vast network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data with each other. It's a fascinating topic that is transforming how we interact with technology in our daily lives. First, let's discuss what IoT technology is. Imagine your aircon will automatically on by just saying switch on. In IoT, there are advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Number 1, convenience. IoT devices make daily tasks easier and save time. 2, efficiency. They can optimize resource use like electricity or water, leading to cost savings. Number 3, better security and health monitoring. Smart cameras protect homes and other devices can track health. Number 4, improve quality of life. Smart health monitors improve patient care. Enhanced home automation contributes to better living. Number 5, environmental benefits. Smart grids and energy management reduce energy consumption. IoT application can promote sustainable practices. Number 6, convenience. Smart devices enable remote monitoring and control. Streamline daily activities, improving usage comfort and convenience. Disadvantages. Number 1, security risk. The interaction of multiple devices increases vulnerability to cyber threats. 2, privacy concerns. With constant data sharing, personal information could be compromised. Number 3, high implementation costs. Initial investment can be substantial for setting up IoT infrastructure. Number 4, job displacement. Automation and AI may lead to job losses in certain sectors. Workers may need to upskill to remain relevant in IoT-centric economy. Number 5, high dependency on technology. System failures. Reliance on IoT can lead to vulnerabilities. If device fails, it may disrupt everyday activities or operation. Number 6, privacy concerns. Unauthorized access. If not properly secured, hackers can gain access to device and personal data, leading to potential misuse. My personal insights. In my daily life, I would definitely considering using IoT devices. For example, a smart home system could simplify many tasks and keep my living environment more comfortable. However, I would be cautious and ensure that my data is secure. IoT technology has the potential to greatly enhance our lives through convenience and efficiency, but we must remain vigilant about the associated risks. Thank you for watching.